Hey, Taylor, so big news because Valve just released during the weekend the workshop tools for Half-Life Alyx, and that means that you're gonna be able to download mods directly from Steam and have them directly in the game. And that's such a big deal because it's gonna unlock a lot of possibilities, and already in just one day of availability, we have over 150 mods on the workshop, and of course they're gonna just keep increasing and things are gonna get better and better. All these mods are gonna run, of course, on the same engine, on the source too, but this is not the SDK, so that means the gameplay is gonna be exactly the same like the regular Half-Life Alyx, but with some exceptions. So let's browse them together and see how to use it and what they are. Little different video today because I donated my blood, so that's why I have this little thing over there. So little energy, let's get into it. Hey, I just noticed that we reached 30k subscribers, and that's freaking amazing. We are 30,000 people here, and just wow. So I really want to say thanks to every one of you. It's like every single one. It's such a great thing to have you here, and well, thank you. Let's enjoy the video, shall we? So here we are in Steam VR, as you can see, and well, let's start Half-Life Alyx, because that's where we're gonna find everything. Oh, let me stick this a little better. So here we are, starting, and they also updated little stuff like the spectator view, so you can have a bigger FOV and some motion smoothing. Let me get this out. You shouldn't see anything weird. But okay, so here we are in Half-Life Alyx. I'm also using a bHaptics mod, fast, because there's a mod available now, and you can use it like it was made directly from this game. But let's go in add-ons right now, because there's the new part where you're gonna find everything that you downloaded, and to download it, you can just click on there, you browse the workshop, and you click OK. As you can see, we're gonna be prompted with the regular big screen mode on the Steam VR overlay, and these are all the mods available right now. There are over 150, so we're not gonna go through them all together. What you have to do though is to click on one of those and click on subscribe if you're interested, and it's gonna download the mod in the background, and well, it's gonna be ready for you right away. You click on the Steam button and then you look for it, and you have to enable it with the toggle over here. When there's the white is enabled. Now, you don't click on that to make them start, but you go back, you have to go on games, you have to click on a game that you have on a slot, you click on that, and then over here you change on add-ons maps, and you decide the one that you wanna use. So let's jump directly in this Jedi Arena one, because I told you that the gameplay is gonna be the same with some exception, and well, this is a little exception because we're gonna have lightsabers in VR, and I'm really interested to see what is gonna happen over here. So here we are in the map. These are custom maps, of course, so as you can see, they're completely different from the maps that we have, but with all the same objects, because we also have the editor to create maps directly. Now, okay, this is a very long one, but yeah, that's a lightsaber. We can use the force to grab it, and oh, it's pretty nice indeed. Are this guy coming? Okay, but yeah. Oh, there's no sound, so let's make some sound. Let's try again, like. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's see if it works like it should, and it does work. Oh, nope. Okay, I need a Darth Maul one. Oh, that's overpowered. Let me use the force. Woo! Shoot! No, I wanted to get this guy. Come on. Okay, that's very the dark side power, but whoa! Okay, let's put this there. Oh, that's funny. And let's get to the Darth Maul one. Look how cool it is. Oh, I'm turning that right other way. Sorry guys, I'm not that used to doing gameplays.
Oh, this is... Can I use this well? Isn't it? It does work. But let's use this one. Some Jedi beer. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty far. The guys are arriving. Run! 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 Whoa! 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 Okay, that's how you have to do. Oh, hey, Gordon. Let me see. Okay. Mr. Gordon Freeman over here. Hey, buddy. Nice. Look at that beard. And Alyx, thanks for bringing us around. And what's behind there? Oh, there's just a cube. And just a cube. Okay. But yeah, this is the little mod. As you can see, it's pretty cool to use the lightsaber. Unfortunately, there's no sound. And, well, it's kind of weird how it works. But... well, it works. It's fun, and that's the important thing. But let's keep browsing, because there are many mods out there. Of course, we're not going to go through them all, because it's going to be impossible. But let's do some to see what's there. Okay, we have to, of course, to go back to the menu and then recreate another room. So we go on games, we select ours. And this is very interesting. I want to try absolutely, because they recreated Doom in Half-Life Alyx. So, well, let's start it all and let's see how it is. It has 3 stars, so probably there's something wrong, but again, we're just at the beginning of the game. Okay, I have this. Let's use the pistol. Okay, that's pretty fun. Enemies. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's move there. Guys, let me go a little faster. Oh, I see somebody over there. Oh, whoa, whoa! Woo. Okay. I guess we're starting. It's pretty cool with this, because when I shoot, I feel the shot in my shoulder, like to have a little recoil. This is so cool. Very low resolution, of course, around, just to bring us the Doom we remember a little. I mean, I can't really relate, but, well, okay. And we got it. Let's keep going. Risky. Ah! Okay, I felt it in my back. We're back to life. Nice. I knew that you were there. No, I can't use that. Oh, this I can. Well, this is the exit. I think I'm done with the level. Not sure, but yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's hope they're gonna keep improving that. And let's go to the next. Let's do the last one just to see a little more. But there are many mods. One is very interesting, is the Clash Course. It's like a storyline for around 1 hour, and that's pretty nice. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have an hour to play, but I really suggest it. It's from Sadly Bradley. I'm really interested in Sandbox actually, because it really looked like the Gmod one. Let's go on games, let's go on here, let's delete it. Start a new one. I am really hoping they're gonna change a little the way to do that, because it's a little longer than expected. Haha, okay. Yep, this is like pretty similar to our classic Gmod, if you remember this place. And how does it work? Okay, I don't have weapons. There's a little square here. Let's touch it. Okay, okay. Oh, it's kind of hard to select things. Can I take it? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everything is... Whoa, it's vibrating a little weird. Okay, so I can put stuff in and spawn stuff, I guess. Let's spawn some weapon. No, I don't have weapons, but we have NPC, I guess. Oh, this guy. This guy is the one that they took out. Okay, there's not there. Okay, this guy is the one they took out from the game because it was a little too scary, as you can see. It's pretty creepy. Hey, creepy boy. But we can't really interact with it. So probably it doesn't have like attack mode or stuff like that in this game yet. But you can call Mr. Fuck Jeff. Okay, that was... Sorry, that was fast. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see if... Whoa, okay. I mean, classic Gmod. We just fell down in the ground. Okay, I feel like they need to work on these a little more. But it's cool that we have already something to interact with. To have, you know... Come on, dude. I'm pretty sure my camera just died. So let's do the last one very, very fast. Because I want to absolutely try the piano. So, okay. This is the piano. Oh, I can put the gloves from Gordon. Pretty cool. Green screen. Nice. Let's play something. So, here we go. No, 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 some vodka to celebrate. And here we are. And here we have, guys, these were just some of the mods available for Half-Life Alyx right now. But let me know what you think about it in the comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future arriving in this workshop. Above me, I would really like to see Half-Life 1 remade in Source 2 or Half-Life 2 to play it in a proper way and not with that Gmod that we saw in the past. That works pretty well, by the way, but you know, in Source 2 will look much, much better. But well, let's hope they're gonna release the SDK soon so people can start to actually make new player models and stuff like that to make it much more interesting. Things just started, so I can really wait to see what is gonna happen in the future. And anyway, guys, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more about VR tech, and I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for the 30K. You guys are great. Ciao!